Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of start menu does not open or start button not working, like I click on start and it doesn't give anything, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you the problem with this. I tried this on my system and I tried the resolution on my system many times, but it didn't work. So the first solution is to restart the computer. Now since the start menu is not working, press Alt plus F4. Press Alt plus F4 and then select restart and then click on OK. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, and let's say if you had set a restore point here. Okay, I'll set it for you. I'll name it test. Okay, if you had set a restore point, you could have easily gone back and restore your system. So click on OK, select open system restore, click on next, select the restore point, click on next and then finish it. The last solution is to reset Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery. Click on reset PC. Select remove everything and then perform a cloud download, not a local reinstall, a cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.